Did you know 60% of the clothes we buy end up in a landfill within just a year of being made? Historically, our clothes lasted longer and were something we held on to for a long time. But because big apparel is constantly finding ways to cut corners and make clothes that cost less and less and are made as quickly as possible, our clothes are poorly made and have become disposable. The average American throws away 80 pounds of clothes a year. That's the same weight as 242 bananas. If our clothes lasted longer and we wore every garment just 50 more times, we would reduce our CO2 emissions by 400%. That's like carpooling with just 3 friends every day rather than everyone driving alone. It's time to change our clothes. We want to make clothes that are durable, that can be worn more and kept longer, and are built to last, because that's the change we want to create. When you buy clothes that last, you're making an investment, not only in the item, but in doing things the right way.